Myra, welcome back to my channel. I'm Myra. This is my channel, Myra Studio. If you're new here, hello there, welcome. New subscribers, thank you for joining. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. Welcome to this family. If you haven't yet subscribed, please hit the notification bell to activate the channel, okay? Alright, my darlings, so today we are going to do back to school natural hair twist style, like a back to school natural hairstyle, you know. Yes, I got it here. So after unraveling my twist, I'll grab my comb and then comb my hair like this, okay? And if your natural hair, if your natural hair is like mine, like you have a kinky natural hair, yeah, what you're going to do is anytime you want to attempt any protective style, make sure your hair is well stretched, okay? All right. And after combing my hair, what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab my rat tail comb and then divide the hair into two equal parts. So from the middle, yeah, so from the middle all the way to from my ear, like an ear to ear section, okay? And then I'll grab my Sheen and Jam gel. It can be any braid gel of your choice. If you have any braid gel, you can use it, okay? Okay, so I'll take a little bit of the Sheen and Jam gel, apply it on the line, and then grab my rat tail comb again and go over the line again with the comb, and then hold the back, the other section in the back. I'll hold it with my scrunchie and then grab my rat tail comb and take a section of the hair in front, like on my right hand side. Yeah, so we are going to flat twist, like a flat twist style. So I'll take a section of the hair and then grab my Sheen and Jam gel, okay, and then apply the gel on the line or to the hair to make the line very neat. And then I'll grab the comb again, the rat tail comb again, and go over the hair, the line, okay, so that the line will be very neat. And then grab my comb the hair, and then grab some clips to hold the hair, the other hair so that it can allow me to work, okay? And then focus on this section. So I'll grab the Sheen and Jam gel again, apply the Sheen and Jam on the hair upwards, yeah. And then I'll grab my comb, my rat tail comb, take a section of the hair, you know, like in front, just a piece of the hair in front, and then divide it into two. Then I'll use it to start with the flat twist. So I'll flat twist all the way to the end. So look at this, I'm flat twisting. Okay, so flat twist. If you don't know how to flat twist, you can do cornrows. You can do cornrows for this side. You know, from my right hand side, I'm doing two flat twists. So I'll flat twist, start the flat twist from the front all the way to the back, and then twist the all the way to the end, and then twist the end. Then when I finish, I'll grab my bobby pin, yes, and then attach it to the hair in the back, the ponytail in the back, and then secure it with the bobby pin, yes. So I took this section of camera, and then I'll grab my comb. After taking the section, I'll grab my comb to detangle the hair, comb the hair, and then grab my rat tail comb again, and then take a section of the hair in front, like a piece, yeah, in front, and then divide the hair into two like this. So divide the hair into two. If you are doing flat twist, you divide the hair into two, the piece into two, and then you use it to start your flat twist. So it will be like a foundation. So you will use the two to flat twist. However, if you are doing cornrows for this side, you will divide the piece you took into three equal parts, and then you use that piece to start with your cornrows. But here, this is I'm flat twisting. I'm doing flat twist, so I'll divide the hair into two. Okay, I'll divide the hair into the piece into two equal parts, and then use that piece to start with a flat twist. Now, after flat twisting all the way to the back, I'll attach the hair to the ponytail in the back, okay, and then secure it with a bobby pin. All right, so I'll after flat twisting this, after doing two flat twists, what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove the clips from my hair, and then grab my rat tail comb, take a section of the hair, the hair in the middle, and then grab my Sheen and Jam gel, apply the gel on the line and to make the line neat, and then grab my rat tail comb again, go over the line again, and then hold the rest of the hair in the middle with some clips. Okay, and then I'll take my rat tail comb again and take a section of the hair we just sectioned, okay, in front. And then what I'm going to do is I will apply gel, and then comb the hair, divide the hair into 3. Now for the roots of the hair, I'm braiding. I will do about 2 to 3 times braiding from the roots, okay, and then start start twisting, I mean. So I'll twist the hair, twist. We are doing single twist for this part, so I'll twist the hair, twist all the way to the very end. Now when I get to the very end, I'll just take a little of the gel with my fingers, you know, and then like do finger coil at the end. Yes. All right, now let's do it again. Okay, so what you are going to do is you are going to take a section of the hair. I mean, I did the rest of the twist off camera. Okay, take a section of the hair, and then what you are going to do is you are going to comb the hair. You will take the section of the hair with your rat tail comb the hair, apply your gel, and then divide the hair into 3 parts. So the roots, you'll do 2 to 3 times braiding from the roots, and then after the braid, like from the roots, then you twist the hair all the way to the very end. I hope it makes sense, right? Alright, okay. So this is just a single twist. Now this is the last one. So I'll comb the hair, apply gel, and then do about 2 to 3 times braiding from the roots, and then I'll continue twisting. So I'll twist like this. Okay, so twist and do your braiding, 2 to 3 times braiding from the roots, and then you twist the rest of the hair all the way to the very end, just like this. Very simple hairstyle, very simple. Try it and let me know what you think, okay, in the comment sections. Right, this is how it looks like, you know. It's okay. Okay, so I'm going to remove the pins the bobby pins from my hair from the twist. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'll also remove the scrunchie and then comb the hair, grab my big comb the hair in the back. Now I'm going to attach the 2 twists on my right hand side to the hair in the back. So I'll grab my shiny jam gel. I'm not going to sleek the hair. I'm just applying the shiny jam gel, okay, to the hair or on the hair. Alright, so after applying the gel, what I'm going to do is I'll grab my hairbrush, brush the back upwards, okay, and then brush the rest of all the hairs, and then grab the 2 twists on my right hand side, attach it to the hair in the back like ponytail, and then grab my scrunchie to hold the hair, and then I'm putting the hair into a ponytail. Okay, alright, now after holding the hair with my scrunchie, what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab my comb the hair a little, and then grab this sponge or donut bun. Yeah, hold the middle side and then pass my natural hair ponytail through the hole in the middle, okay, and then spread the hair just like this. You just watch, you will understand it. Spread the hair to cover the bun, okay, like this. That is why I said you should stretch your hair so that it can be very easy for you. So I'll after spreading the hair to cover the band, I'll grab a scrunchie again to secure the band like this. So it looks like I don't have any band any band in the hair. Okay, then I'll grab my bobby pins, okay, to secure the hair, and then tack the rest of the hair, the excess hair. I'll tack the excess hair inside the band, and then secure the hair with some bobby pins so that it will not fall, it will not remove. Yes, so this is how it looks like in the end. Very simple hairstyle. Yes, back to school hairstyle. very simple. All right, now I'm going to use this ribbon, this small ribbon, and hold the middle side like this, okay, and then after that I'll grab my ORS olive oil edge jelly with the help of my edge brush I got from my beauty supply store to lay my edges, just something small, you know, edges, okay, and then arrange the twists and then cover my hair with, or my head, okay, with my satin head wrap or my head wrap, whatever. Okay, and then I went ahead to do my makeup. And yes, I think this is the end of today's tutorial. Very simple, very short tutorial. Back to school natural hairstyle. So I'm going to do my makeup and I'll be right back. And this is me after my makeup. I look like a schoolgirl. Let me know if you love this hairstyle, okay? Today's shout out goes to Dave. Dave, I hope I'm pronouncing your name well. I'll feel so bad if I don't pronounce your name well. Thank you so much for your comment. Thank you for your upbuilding comment. You don't know how much I appreciate each and every single comment. I appreciate your comments. Thank you so much. Thank you, my subscribers. Thank you so much. Thank you. I can't thank you. Thank you so much. Please let me know if you love this back to school natural hairstyle, natural hair flat twist, like back to school hairstyle. Thank you. If you are back to school, my darling, my sweetheart, enjoy your class. All the best in class, okay? Thank you so much. Please comment, share, subscribe. Let me know if you love this hairstyle. Let me know if you are going to try it. You can take it to school, you can take it to work, you can take it to everywhere. Thank you so much for watching. See you again in my next video. Bye. Love you guys so much. Bye. See you. Mwah.